YouTube, what's good, guys? Welcome back. So, man, your boy wake up this morning trying to get some dishes done, and my dang on sink clogged. So, I turn on the garbage disposal, it hums, it ain't doing nothing. So, I figured I'd do a quick video on how to get your garbage disposal unjammed. So, let's get it. Okay, so I opted on just using the ratchet. Trying to figure out what screwdriver will fit in these grooves. It's okay, but you risk the possibility of stripping it. So, just too easy to just use a ratchet or a wrench. It's only 4 screws. Okay. Oh, that's built up, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go toss this. Okay, so what we're gonna do, oh, we're getting it. I've been tapping it, but you're gonna, I think I just got it. Yep, whatever was clogging it, I got it, guys. Oh wait, no, it's still in there. I can feel it. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it up and see if I got. Alright, so we got it, guys. It was definitely clogged. All I did was just a few taps right here and it loosened it. Now it free spins. I didn't even have to give a lot of pressure. The only reason I did that, I know a lot of garbage disposal repair people, what they would do is take this off and see what's inside. Nah, I like to go the cheapest way possible on fixing it. And in the old days, that tended to be the most effective. And on the old garbage disposals, you used to have a crank at the bottom. And you would manually force it, spin crank it to unloosen it. So I just simulated it with impact. But we're gonna put it back together, install it back on the sink, and we're gonna make sure it works. And these pipes, they're clear. I checked them off camera. Now we just line this up. It goes on pretty easy. Okay, so now the moment of truth. I have a bowl. It's full of cereal, waffles, just old stuff, old food, macaroni. Yep. And we'll get it all in there. Yep, something's clogging it, you can see. Oh yeah. Alright guys, thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.